Hello, everyone. This is Calvin Russell, CEO and founder of 850 Club Credit. Hope everyone's doing well today. Today, we're going to talk about how Visa and Mastercard just allow something new that may create an issue for some debit and credit card holders. Let's go straight into it. For those of you, obviously, who've been, paying these outrageous gas prices, right? First off, does anyone have a discount? But anyway, with the outrageous gas prices, what else could it be, right? But the good news is, in some states, gas is actually starting to go down slightly. So we're starting to see that. But however, one of the biggest things that have now happened, one of the biggest issues is that some people are getting gas at the pump. However, it's not enough to hold the amount that's in their accounts. That's right. So essentially, normally when you use a debit card or credit card at some gas stations, they would usually hold a certain amount. And then a couple days later, they'll charge whatever, that ended up being, and they release the hold. Not sure why they do that. It's almost like hotels. And these are just honestly, they see how much you use and it should instantly release. I'm not sure as to why that is. However, Visa and Mastercard just now allowed gas stations to hold up to $175. So that means that if you go to a gas station and you're only, like, let's say, using $50 or $60 of gas, and using a debit card or credit card, they may hold up to $175. Some gas stations have been holding $100, $150. And the reason why they've been doing that, a lot of people have been getting gas and then not having enough money in their accounts. So the gas stations are left, with that potential bill. Even worse, some people have been issuing chargebacks with gas companies as well. So it's unfortunate to kind of see that this is kind of happening. And of course, gas stations nationwide, are most definitely putting some things into place. So make sure you guys pay attention to that, because a hold, it is temporary, but the money has to be there to hold. So that means that if a gas station holds $100 and you're getting, let's say, $50 worth of gas, then they're going to hold that 100, and then they're going to look to see how much gas you got, and then they're going to go ahead and only charge you that 50 and release the other 50. Okay. But if you don't have that $100 in your account, even though you simply got $20 worth of gas, your card may be declined. Okay. So that's why the decline rate is up on a lot of credit cards, and it's unfortunate, and that's just what it is. But make sure you guys, stay on top of that as well, too, because that's going to affect your credit score if you're maxing out these credit cards just to get gas and not being able to pay the bill. So again, I know things are tough right now, guys. Just make sure you keep an eye on what these gas stations are going to be holding, what they're going to be charging throughout that process, because some gas stations take about 2 to 3 days to process it. You may go to the gas station on Monday, but they may not hit your account accurately, correctly until Wednesday or Thursday. So something to keep an eye on. Okay, if you like this video, like it. You want to share it, and as always, be sure to subscribe, as we have nothing but great content on the way. Thank you guys so much. Have a great day.